Eutrophication is a process when you have a deposit of excessive nutrients in a body of water, usually referring to a lake. This creates a green film on the top of the water, as you can see from the picture in your top left. The main cause of eutrophication stems from the agriculture industry, specifically livestock. Phosphorus is the main nutrient that causes eutrophication, and it is found in the manure of cows. When it rains, this phosphorus runs off into streams and rivers and is eventually deposited in the lakes. The algae in these lakes then thrive because phosphorus is the source that they use to feed. They then form these algae blooms, and these algae blooms cover the surface of the water, deflecting any incoming solar radiation. Without sunlight, the plants eventually die off in the bottom, and without plants producing oxygen through photosynthesis, oxygen levels deplete, and then all other organisms in the water die, and you're left with nothing but algae. Imagine taking all of your cattle and shoving them into a barn, then taking all the oxygen out of that barn. The cattle are gonna die, and that's basically what's happening in these lakes that are affected by eutrophication. Any organisms in those lakes are just dying out. Take these two lakes as examples. The one on the left is clean, clear, and probably thriving with life. The one on the right, on the other hand, you can just tell there's no way sunlight's breaking through all that green gunk that's sitting on top. And with no sunlight being able to break through, any plant life that's in there is dying out and not producing as much oxygen or no oxygen, and any other living organisms in there are also dying. Now, if we can figure out a way to divert the runoff of phosphorus from these areas where we hold the livestock and take it to wastewater treatment plants where they can remove the nutrients and then deposit into these bodies of water, we can greatly reduce the effects of eutrophication.